while these companies have access to the public bond markets are not always best suited to fill their financing needs. We've provided a number of IG private financing solutions to companies where, in fact, the public bond markets were not best suited to fill these financing needs. Companies need financing for all sorts of reasons: scaling their businesses, M&A transactions, transformative capex. As these companies finance themselves, they really have to think about whether or not relying on one source of capital, the public IG bond markets, or diversifying their financing solutions and thinking about different ways to finance their businesses. Perhaps financing something off balance sheet on a non-recourse basis, using specific assets as collateral, utilizing that as an option incremental to the investment-grade bond markets. And as you think about other sectors like infrastructure, semiconductors, data centers, we're talking about, in some cases, very large borrowing that needs to occur. Doing all of that in the public bond markets can often negatively impact both their public credit rating as well as where their publicly traded debt securities trade, which can negatively impact other public investors. So the private IG market really has emerged as an option for these borrowers that they didn't have before, and a very viable one, we think.